welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the Christmas Cozy Corner Challenge hosted by Arlynn from Arlynn Country Craft Corner and Kim from Sweet Daisy Creations. Today we're creating this cozy corner. As you can see, I have a lantern right here and we're gonna decorate. So stay here so you can see how we decorate this cozy corner. And as you can see, this is our Christmas Cozy Corner finished. Following the rules, we have garland, we have a table, we have a sign or plaque, and our bowl. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link for the playlist and also to our host channel. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye.